welcome back to Hikoco's channel. Today we have a special guest, Leah. So today we are going to do another Halloween series. So Leah, what kind of look are you going to do on my face today?
Because it's Halloween soon, I was thinking of doing like a few scratches, like DIY scratches.
DIY.
Yeah, you guys can do easily at home yourself.
Are you sure?
First, there's gonna be a black eye right there, and then she's gonna have this huge scratch along her face with like glasses. Not like a. Let's get started. We'll make the pieces of glass with this. Nice and clean. Four pieces of glass. Not real.
Alright.
No. Safety first.
Yes, please. So professional because she's got all in a little pot. So
Yeah.
I don't know what they are.
They're all from the brand Binai. It's like a professional special effect brand. Yeah, it's like a molding clay.
Right.
So it just looks like this.
Oh.
It's like flesh tone. With this one, you have to kind of melt it in your hands so it's like nice and soft and like, you know, so you can mold it.
Do you glue them on my skin or?
Yeah, this was like really sticky, so it just like sticks on the. And then you need a little bit. And you roll it. This, and then stick it on the face. Like that, and then what you do is you kind of spread it thin so it actually like sticks on the skin. It looks something like this. Also, if you don't have this at home, you can also mix flour foundation and some Vaseline.
Oh.
Yeah, and then you can make this like a quick DIY.
Right.
You don't have to waste any money. They're just like really simple ingredients you can just get anywhere, and they're really cheap as well. So. And now with this little spatula, I'll just spread it out. Now I'll slice the new flesh that we created. You can kind of see that it's kind of like spread apart, and in here now I'm gonna add some like really thin like tissues and blood and some these colored concealers to make it look more realistic. So I'm gonna use some flesh tone concealers to go over the edges. Yellow looking one, not the green, to mix it with a little bit of that color.
날씬해 보여. 컬처된 것 같아.
Now this is kind of like the flesh neutral tones done, and now I'm going to use the red and black tones to really like darken up the inside so it looks really deep. So if you don't have like colored concealers like this, you can also use eyeshadow, or you can mix concealers with maybe like food coloring. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Or you can just use like face paint. Now using this black, using this purple-ish bluish concealer, I'll create like a bruise effect around the scar. When you're creating the bruise effect, make sure you just dab it, not smudge it, because you can actually peel off the fake scar that you created. And then I'm just blending out the edges. So that's the bruise done. And then I'll add blood. So this is the fake blood that I have here.
Oh.
That's all, I don't want to spill it.
Oh.
I shredded some tissues to make little balls like this to add in to create like a little
Rice.
Yeah.
They look like a little pimple. It's like cystic pimple.
And then now I'll add this. It's like a thicker version. It's called scratch blood.
I can feel it.
And then it's time to add the fake glass that we made with Gongcha. With this one, I'm not using glue or anything, I'm just sticking it on. And then I'll add more blood on top. So it looks bloody.
우와, 진짜 같아.
And that's that done. 여기 되게 이렇게 I'm bleeding. And then I'll do the black guy on the other side. Usually with bruises, it's easier than a cut because you just need to stamp it on and just make it look real. I don't know if you can see it properly, but I just added like the yellowish bits around the eye. Because usually with bruises, it's like really dark and purple in the inside, but then it gets like
Oh, yellow outside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now with the purple.
Sometimes when you put like too much black or purple eyeshadows on your eyes.
Oh yeah. Well, sometimes look like dark circles.
Yeah, true. What happened? What happened to me?
나한테 맞은 것 같아요. Oh, you look like a zombie.
I'm zombie. If you've got any questions, please leave the comment down below. Like,
Subscribe.
and
Bye, beauties.
let's be pretty. Let's be creepy.
Let's be creepy.